So hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So today in this video we'll be reacting to some programming memes. हाँ पता है ये थोड़ा सा अलग है लेकिन चलो ये देखते हैं और मज़ा आएगा बहुत. तो वीडियो को ज़्यादा नहीं करते हुए चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं. लेकिन बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द वीडियो आई वांट टू give shout out to Meme Man for making this video for us to react to it and get some views. I hope so. So चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं.
To my elite programming skills, I figured out how to shave off 30 seconds from my app's startup time. Here's some optimization tips. Remove the sleep 30 call you added a month ago and forgot about. My mate needs a website
So here
designing.
I guess,
Told him.
the context was मतलब जो context था वो शायद कि वो debugging करने के लिए जो ये sleep 30 का जो है वो लगा रखा था इसलिए उसी context में है. Not so funny. Let's rank the memes as we see them. उसमें ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा I guess क्योंकि कुछ अगर funny है तो मैं fake expression नहीं दे पाऊँगा. तो चलिए.
A month ago and forgot about. My mate needs a website designing. Told him £500. I've sent him your number. What? How big is the website? Normal screen size. Thanks, Dad. You're in his DMs, but I'm in his private GitHub repository. We are not the same. Apple and Microsoft are natural enemies, like programmers and testers, or programmers and clients, or programmers and managers.
Wait, मुझे थोड़ा सा समझने दो. Like programmers and testers. Oh, you got it. मतलब ये क्या?
Or programmers and other programmers. Damn programmers. They are never at peace with anything. What's up? What do you do all day? Programming. Well, done. Very responsible during the pandemic. Pandemic? K28. Try. Height less than 189. Catch exception system out print friend zoned. Who will tell her? Security engineer. We're going to start moving towards zero trust. Developer. Oh cool. How does that work? Security engineer. Narrows eyes. Why do you ask?
Sorry, that was a strange thing to ask.
Okay GitHub, I know my builds are shoot, but no need to be passive-aggressive about it. The build failed, just like the previous build. When you finally delete multiple print statements after your code runs perfectly, and then it breaks again.
Guys, this is very relatable. मैं भी करता हूँ. अगर कुछ जो है काम नहीं करता है तो मैं क्या करता हूँ कभी-कभी जो है
Applying
जो है प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट बीच में लगा देता हूँ ताकि क्या है कि उस स्टेटमेंट के बाद क्या हो रहा है वो प्रिंट करके मुझे मैं देख पाऊँ इसलिए मैं करता हूँ. Pretty relatable.
for a software developer role. Being sent a technical test straight away, with no communication on salary, benefits, etc. Error on line 42. Me searching.
Error on line 42 line 42 में कुछ है ही नहीं. This has to be the case. This one.
Me searching for a very specific question on Google. A random guy who asked the same question online 3 years ago. After 3 years there still is no reply on the post.
Yeah.
We're all gonna die!
Product owners. Project managers, Scrum masters. Developers. And no QA as usual. Am I testing my code, or is it testing me? You guys test your code. Oh, so you are good at programming. Write a program to detect if a program has an infinity loop. Project manager and client excited about their software solution. Dev team knowing the solution is not technically possible. They don't know I work in tech. Yes, we do. It's literally your whole personality.
Why must you hurt me in this way?
तो इतना देरी तक जो हमने देखा मुझे एक या दो ही जो है अच्छे लगे. अभी तो चल रहा है. आप लोग बताना कमेंट में आप लोगों को कौन सा जो है अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादा पॉज नहीं करूँगा. तो आप लोग कमेंट में बताना कि आप लोगों को कौन सा मीम्स अच्छा लगा.
I'm a software engineer with decades of experience. My code is used by hundreds of thousands, and I've taught software engineering in over a dozen countries. I just had to ask a colleague for help in finding out why my code was not working. The reason was I hadn't hit compile. Me? Let's
This is some dumb ass shit, you know. Not even funny.
rewrite the CSS. My website. Googling
वो सहला ही नहीं किया
something truly is a
बढ़िया
yes.
है ये
My website.
फिर से देखो लेट मी रीराइट माय सीएसएस उसने कुछ अलाइन ही नहीं किया सब कुछ एक एक लाइन में मतलब लगता है सब एक एक जो स्पैन के अंदर दिया था इसलिए सब अलग अलग स्पैन नहीं सॉरी डिव में दिया था इसलिए सब अलग अलग लाइन में आ गया हर एक एलिमेंट
Googling something truly is a skill. Some people are much better and faster at finding more accurate results than others. Fun with flags. Norway. Andway. X Orway. Nandway. X Norway. Notway.
high IQ meme guys high IQ meme high IQ meme
To start, I need you to become familiar with our repo. Great. Where can I find the documentation? There is documentation, right?
wait to start I need to become familiar with our repo great where can I find the
Documentation. There is documentation, right?
what I don't get it I don't
Java. We must demand that every class be explicitly defined, either public, protected, or private. Python. I keep forgetting that you're still widely used. Public, protected, or private. Python. I keep forgetting that you're still
तो ये भी अगर आप लोग प्रोग्रामिंग करते हैं आप लोगों को पता होगा
widely used. New senior joins the team. I junior answer his questions on a codebase I wrote. I review his PRs.
what
I find inefficiencies and redundancies in his code, due to my knowledge of the codebase. He implements my various feedback and I approve his PRs. Then they
तो मतलब एक नया सीनियर ज्वाइन किया है और एक जूनियर जो पहले से उस कोड बेस पर काम कर रहा था उससे तो ऑलरेडी नॉलेज होगा ही ना उस कोड बेस को क्या है ये
fire you because they don't need you anymore. Linked list data structures.
okay so I got it the previous one the action was that he got fired at the end by the senior nonsense
Be like, I know a guy who knows a guy. How to elevate a viewport using JavaScript.
I know a guy wait रुको मुझे फिर से देखने दे वाला linked list data structures like I know a guy who know a भाई ये वाला बढ़िया
How to elevate a viewport using JavaScript.
oh what the hell ये वाला
Elevate a viewport using JavaScript.
वो ये कुछ सेंस भी नहीं बनाता यार उसने सिर्फ जावास्क्रिप्ट का किताब रख दिया कंप्यूटर के ऊपर और वो एलिवेट हो गया व्यू पोर्ट मतलब क्या
Rip with audio messages. My ass off on a school project for 3 weeks non-stop to code a Twitter rip with audio messages instead, sacrificing my winter vacations and mental health for it. My school. 13 out of 20. When you are gone.
भाई पता है स्कूल में मतलब जो मार्क्स भाई मुझे ये वाला रिलेटेबल इसलिए नहीं लगा क्योंकि मेरे स्कूल में तो यार मैं कुछ अगर कोई नहीं भी करता है फिर भी उसको 20 में तो 18 या 17 तो मिल ही जाएगा यार
For it.
ऐसा है
My
मेरे
school.
पता नहीं
13 out of 20.
आप
When
लोगों
you
के
are
स्कूल में
gonna
क्या
merge
था?
2
comment
branches.
कीजिए। आप लोगों के स्कूल में क्या था आप लोग कमेंट कीजिए
My school. 13 out of 20. When you are gonna merge 2 branches after long time. Why should I hire a software engineer if I can just copy and paste code from Stack Overflow?
अभी इसको कौन समझे यार स्टैक ओवरफ्लो में आंसर्स मिलते हैं उस स्पेसिफिक प्रॉब्लम का कोड नहीं यार क्या मतलब
Junior dev, I fricked up bad. I'm so fired. Senior dev, I have 3 production outages named after me lol.
what I have to अच्छा प्रोडक्शन
How to code fast.
Not funny.
Open browser. Search for the code. Control C. Control V.
अच्छा फॉर बिगिनर्स नॉट फॉर बिगिनर्स ओनली बट फॉर प्रो कोडर्स टू भाई मैं बिगिनर हूँ तो मैं ये कभी कभी करता हूँ लेकिन ये मुझे लगता है ज़्यादातर प्रो के लिए अप्लाई होता है क्योंकि बिगिनर जो वो तो चलो इजी कोड है वो खुद से थोड़ा बहुत प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए लिखते हैं लेकिन जो प्रो कोडर्स है उनका तो टाइम नहीं रहता होगा यार तो वो करते होंगे ये सब हम तो जूनियर कोडर मतलब जूनियर भी हम बिगिनर है तो कोई नहीं होता होगा।
Community. Let's change master branch to main to avoid slavery references. Scrum Master. I have just found the best language to learn for getting started with programming. It's Indian.
ये वाला हाई आईक्यू मीम है। तो अगर आप लोगों को पता है तो ये मीम्स एक्सप्लेन करिए कमेंट में, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारे मीम्स जो है वो फनी नहीं लग रहे।
Rust does generics a lot better than C++. If a C++ dev is ever stranded in the desert, all he has to do is say to the empty sands, C++ is pretty okay, a Rust enthusiast will appear immediately to correct him. Who isn't as smart as people think.
आप लोग कमेंट कीजिए कि कौन सा जो है प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज वो आप लोगों के हिसाब से सुपीरियर है या फिर सबसे टॉप पे है। आप लोग कमेंट करके बताइए।
Programmers, I am a programmer and spend 10 hours on a misspelled word. I saw other programmers spending a long time fixing a misspelled word too. I use C++ in Java. Show me. Me a C# newbie trying to avoid go-to statements, because I've read they're a bad practice on Stack Overflow. While 1 = 1 looks good, you should implement Stack Overflow. While 1 = 1 looks good,
1 = 1
you should implement your own code and not just rely on libraries like strings. Software developer, software engineer, software development engineer. You write 60 lines of code and it works perfectly. You find out you could have done it in 5 lines.
भाई ये बहुत रिलेटेबल है। मैं जो है एक बार एक कोड लिखा था, ठीक है, तो उसमें कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ था। मैंने इतना बड़ा कोड लिखा, फिर बाद में मैं जब रीचेक करने गया तो मुझे दिखा कि ये तो सिर्फ 3 लाइन में हो रहा है। मतलब क्या भाई।
I don't know how a Docker container is different from a VM, and at this point I'm too afraid to ask. When you write 5em instead of 5px. First day of college implementing an algorithm with a third-party library. Professor, we don't do that here.
First day of college implementing an algorithm with a third party.
It'll just be a quick fix. Narrator, it wasn't. Once I began working in IT, I finally understood the scene where Yoda gets so tired of answering Luke's questions he just dies. Starting progress bar based on an approximate timer, and waiting for random completion event to move it suddenly to 100%. Windows. Me making sure there are a move it suddenly to
Implementing progress bar status based on periodic events. Starting program bar based on an approximate timer and waiting random completion event to move it.
100%.
Yeah, so true.
Windows.
So true.
Me making sure there are exactly 1 space before and after every equal.
Professionals have standards.
अगर आप लोग कोडिंग करते हो तो आप लोगों को पता होगा कि ब्यूटीफाई करके कोड लिखना किसे कहते हैं।
Me using Python to find the length of a word. Genie, you can wish for anything but infinite wishes. Wish 1, I wish that wish 2 happens after wish 3. Wish 2, I wish to be free. Wish 3, I wish to be a genie. Genie.
Bro, is this even, programming related?
A library that fits my need perfectly. Awesome documentation. Impossible. Your crush follows you on Instagram. My crush follows me on GitHub. We're not the same.
Yeah, we are not the same, guys.
Linux makes the OS faster and more
Linux? भाई उसने Linux बोला, Linux.
configurable. Mac OS makes the OS easier to use and more dependable. Windows. Let's put ads on the start menu.
भाई ये नर्ड ह्यूमर ही था, ठीक है। मुझे तो कुछ सिलेक्टिव कुछ मीम्स ही जो है वो अच्छे लगे। आप लोगों को कौन सा मीम्स जो अच्छा लगे वो कमेंट कीजिए, और अगर आप लोगों को कुछ ऐसे स्पेसिफिक वीडियो का आइडिया है कि इस पर रिएक्ट करो तो भी कमेंट करो, या फिर कोई नया टॉपिक पे जो मुझे वीडियो बनाना है उसके भी कमेंट करो, ताकि मुझे पता चले यार क्या बनाने से मुझे व्यूज़ आएंगे। तो कमेंट करो, लाइक करो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो ऐसे ही और मज़ेदार वीडियोज़ के लिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, बाय बाय।